Hello guys, on this video I'm going to show you the negative form of present simple tense. We use negative form of present simple to deny something. For example, you don't play piano. Structure of present simple tense in negative form: subject plus do does plus not plus verb. For example, I don't speak Spanish, they don't dance well, she doesn't sing. Attention! Do plus not becomes don't. For third person singular, does plus not becomes doesn't. Here are some examples of negative form of present simple in singular and plural. I don't work. You don't work. He doesn't work. She doesn't work. It doesn't work. We don't work. You don't work. They don't work. Use of present simple tense in negative form. We use present simple tense in its negative form to deny completed actions that happen as we speak. For example, she doesn't pass the ball. He doesn't shoot. It doesn't fall down. Facts: sun doesn't rise at west. Water doesn't freeze at 10 degrees. Monkeys don't fly. Habits and routines. For example, we don't go to cinema every week. He doesn't always sleep at 11 p.m. They don't come every day to school on foot. Informal narrative. For example, the beauty doesn't fall in love with the beast. The housewife doesn't transform into a princess. Witches don't fly on planes. Instructions. For example, don't talk, don't close the window, don't eat in the classroom. Permanent situations. For example, I'm not a plumber. She doesn't study biology. They don't live in China. Planned future. For example, schools don't open until September. Bus doesn't arrive till midday. He doesn't graduate until next year. Promises. For example, I don't promise to finish it on time. We don't promise to deliver within 48 hours. I don't promise it doesn't harm you. Timetables. For example, the plane doesn't arrive at 10 o'clock. We don't arrive at 6 o'clock. The train doesn't go at 12 o'clock. This is all for negative form of present simple tense. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any question or comment, don't hesitate to write, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.